Your truck breaks down. You've kept up with every service interval. You have the receipts. You did everything right. You take it to the dealership, and 3 days later they call you with two pieces of news. The repair is going to cost $4,000, and your warranty is void. Not because you did anything wrong, because they say you did. This is happening to diesel truck owners across America every single week, and the people doing it are trained to do it. Here is what most truck owners don't understand about their warranty. You did not receive a guarantee when you bought that truck. You received a conditional promise, one that the manufacturer and their franchise dealerships have enormous discretionary power to revoke, and one that was written entirely by lawyers, whose job was to create as many exit ramps as legally possible for the company, not for you. The warranty that felt like protection on the day you signed is, in practice, a document designed to be weaponized against you the moment a repair becomes expensive enough to matter. And diesel trucks are the primary target. Here's why. Diesel emission systems, the DPF, the DEF system, the EGR valve, are among the most expensive components on a modern truck to repair or replace. A DPF replacement alone runs between $3,000 and $8,000, depending on the vehicle. An EGR cooler failure on a 6.7 Powerstroke or a Duramax can push $2,500 to $4,000 in labor and parts. These are not minor line items. These are repairs that dealerships know owners will fight over. And because they're fighting over them, the dealership needs a strategy to shift that cost off the manufacturer's warranty budget and onto your personal bank account. The strategy has a name inside the industry. Service advisors and warranty administrators call it building a file, and it works like this. Every time you bring your truck in for any reason, routine oil change, a rattle you want checked, a warning light that came on and went off, the dealership's service department is logging data. They are noting aftermarket parts. They are scanning for tuner signatures in the ECU, even if the tune has been removed. They are documenting anything that could later be categorized as owner modification or abuse. They are, from your very first service visit, building a case that may never be used unless a big repair comes in, at which point the file gets opened and the denial gets written. This is not paranoia. This is the documented process that warranty administrators are trained to follow. Manufacturers like Ford, GM, and Ram provide their dealers with warranty audit guidelines that create financial incentives to deny claims. Dealers operate on warranty reimbursement rates that are frequently lower than their standard retail labor rates. That means every warranty repair they perform costs them margin compared to a customer pay repair. The financial pressure to find a denial justification is structural. It is baked into the business model. Here is where it becomes genuinely outrageous. Under the Magnuson-Moss Warranty Act, a federal law passed in 1975, a manufacturer cannot void your warranty simply because you used aftermarket parts or made modifications. They are legally required to prove that the specific modification or part directly caused the specific failure they are refusing to cover. They cannot blanket deny your entire powertrain warranty because you installed an aftermarket air intake. They cannot void your emission system coverage because you're running a cold air filter. The law is clear. But the law only protects you if you know it exists, and the dealership is counting on the overwhelming probability that you don't. Most owners hear the word void and accept it. They argue briefly, they get nowhere, they pay the bill, and they tell their friends the dealership screwed them without ever knowing they had a federal statute on their side. The dealership closes the ticket. The manufacturer saves $4,000, and the entire process resets for the next customer. The breaking point is this. There are dealership service departments that have denied hundreds of valid warranty claims in a single year, recovered millions of dollars in repair costs that federal law entitled their customers to receive, and faced zero consequences because not one of those customers knew how to fight back. But some do, and the ones who do almost never lose. The strategy is called the Magnuson-Moss paper trail, and it has forced manufacturers to honor warranty repairs on diesel trucks that dealerships had already formally denied. Here is exactly how it works. Step 1. The moment a warranty claim is denied, request the denial in writing. Do not accept a verbal explanation. Do not leave without a written document stating the specific reason for denial and the specific modification or condition they claim caused the failure. Dealerships are frequently reluctant to produce this document because a written denial is a legally actionable document. If they resist, inform them you are requesting it under your rights as a consumer. They are required to provide it. Step 2. Pull your Magnuson-Moss rights and respond in writing directly to the manufacturer's customer relations department, not the dealership. The dealership is a franchisee. The manufacturer holds the warranty obligation. Your letter should cite the specific federal statute, identify the specific repair being denied, and request written documentation proving the causal link between any modification they identified and the failure in question. Send it certified mail. Keep the receipt. Step 3. File a complaint simultaneously with the FTC, your state attorney general's Consumer Protection Office, and the Better Business Bureau. This is not symbolic. Manufacturers track complaint volume by dealer and by model. A documented pattern of Magnuson-Moss violations creates legal exposure that their general counsel takes seriously in a way that a single angry phone call never will. Step 4. If the repair value exceeds $1,500 and the manufacturer does not respond within 30 days, contact a consumer protection attorney. Magnuson-Moss cases are frequently taken on contingency because the statute includes attorney fee recovery. The manufacturer pays your legal costs if you win. This means representation costs you nothing if your claim is legitimate. Truck owners, who understand this process, are getting $4,000, $5,000, and $6,000 repairs covered on vehicles that dealerships had already told them were their financial responsibility. They are not doing anything aggressive or complicated. They are simply using a federal law that has existed for 50 years and that the industry has spent 50 years hoping you never read. The warranty system on your truck is one layer of this, but there is an entire second system running underneath it, one that determines whether your truck can even be legally sold, transferred, or insured after certain repairs are performed, and the rules around it have a gap in them that almost nobody in the ownership community is talking about yet.